Italia, here we come.
Ready for the pasta.
We're leaving Chamonix now. We had an amazing day yesterday and we're really excited to go back to Geneva, have lunch with our friends before we catch our flight, another EasyJet flight to head over to Venice.
Honestly, we had a great time over here in Chamonix. I loved every second of it. We had a great night with great people and definitely made some lasting memories here, and we will 100% be coming back. Guys, I conquered driving stick shift. We made it. We made it. Honestly, anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. Just put your mind to it and throw yourself in. I mean, maybe don't throw yourself into it like I did. It's kind of crazy.
We gotta pay a toll.
Wait, I think no, I don't. I'm just gonna put it in there. Fuck it. Toll roads, man.
How much is it?
€410. There's so many tolls here, I feel like, right? Is that just me or
Right.
no? Okay.
There's another toll. It is how much this time?
€190. So not so bad, I guess.
Not so bad, but kind of annoying.
Yeah, it's just annoying. There's so many tolls on this road. Alright, let's do this. Let's go now.
We're in Geneva now. We made it back, safe and sound. We had to see the jet before we left Geneva. There she is! Parking.
Yeah, so I'm really tired right now. Let's meet at 12:30. Oh man. Like honestly, I think it's hitting me that we have been go since we left the United States, and just like in terms of like walking, hiking, like every day at least 7 to 8 miles.
The jet's really cool, so we're just sitting in here.
In our little Fiat.
In our little Fiat, baby Fiat 500. I'm very enthusiastic right now.
Much enthusiasm.
How about you, Em? Are you enthusiastic right now?
Yeah, I have all the enthusiasm in the world. I want it.
What is he
I
doing?
got it.
That's fun.
I want it. I got it.
We're getting fondue too. We had an awesome lunch. We got fondue, some salmon, and a veggie quiche. Then we went to the airport. We were trying to find where the Hertz drop-off was, and then we realized that we forgot to put gas in the car. So then we left, put gas in the car, and then came back. All of that probably took at least like half an hour because it was really confusing going back and forth between the Swiss and the French side.
And now I think we're here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it. To learn how to drive stick and somehow find the French side. Let's
Just put it in return.
Just return it.
All right.
We made it alive. We made it. 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 Yes. Let's go. Let's go to Italy and eat some pasta now. We didn't crash the car. We're alive. And we had some really good cheese and my stomach is full and I'm really tired. Let's go, Ruthie.
Our flight's at 9:20. It's currently 6 o'clock. We've been here at the airport for a few hours, and we've been waiting to be able to check in our bags because it's EasyJet, and EasyJet has very, very strict baggage requirements. However, it's 6 o'clock and they won't let us go to check in our luggage until 6:20. So we have to wait here for another 20 minutes before we're allowed to check in our bags.
Because that's our time slot. They're really strict about that.
How much does your bag weigh?
It weighs 11.7 and we bought 15
Kilos.
Yeah, 11.7 kilos. We bought 15 kilos each, so we're good.
Love you.
Now we can get through and go to the lounge. We made it through. Now we're going to the lounge.
The security line at this airport is a little bit nuts. It was hectic and people are rude.
Yeah, people are rude. They'll just cut you. It's actually really weird.
The queue is the queue, friends.
Yeah.
It's like really quiet in here. They don't even have elevator music. Are we going the right way? We're trying to find a lounge. Thank you.
We got some rice, pumpkin soup, oranges, chips, crackers, and apple juice.
The best is a lounge that serves hot food.
Watch out for this guy.
We just left the lounge and we are on our 15-minute walk to get to our gate.
I feel like every time we walk to the gates, it's always 15 minutes away.
Right? You're always at the furthest gate, but it's probably because we always take the most budget airlines.
I've never been to Italy before in my life, so I don't know what to expect, but I have heard great food.
He's got the right idea. No jump. Got it.
Look at all these watch ads. Like, what's up with that? You come to Switzerland and you're like, you gotta get a watch.
We didn't get a watch.
This is ridiculous. Someone tell me what type of person would wear this. Who would wear this? That's trash. Probably cost $6 million too.
Honestly, this airport is just one big advertisement.
But he's getting played by all of them.
I want excellence in Swiss education. Maybe I can go back to school.
No.
We're going back to school by traveling the world.
Mm-hmm. This is my master's degree. Global studies. Boarding. Yeah.
Sincerely.
Every single time, they'll like check you in and you think that you're about to get on the plane and then you have to wait an extra like 10 to 15 minutes just like with your stuff in like a really warm, crowded room. So, this is what your EasyJet flight looks like. Comes with a hammer.
We're Venice bound. I'm so pumped for the pasta. And the pizza. And the cannolis.
Italia, here we come.
Ready for the pasta. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys kind of enjoy EasyJet. We're pumped for Italy. We'll see you there.
We got our own road again.
That's gonna be a seat for you guys.
Con le valutazioni di sicurezza emergenza di questo aereo, vi prego di prestar loro